Does anyone ever just think about how Hiccup gave Toothless Stockholm Syndrome? Because he had the skills, he had the dragons, he had the graphs, he could have made the artificial fin day one, but he doubled down on saying, "No, I shall tame this sky puppy." I mean, look at this Viking boy genius. Nothing in his eyes but a lust for speed and math. Seeing how he handled Toothless really makes his thought process for dropping Astrid on a cliff to get her to calm down really makes sense. Like any blossoming genius should, they put ethics last on their list. In the end, I'm happy he used his brains for good. Let me know your favorite dragon down in the comments.